Hi, today I will teach you how to get started with coding in Microsoft Excel. You can write some code in each cell, but using something called Visual Basic Application is a much better alternative. First of all, you have to activate the Developer tab. To do this, press File, then Options. Now, press Customize ribbon. You will find the Developer tab to the right. Tick this box and press OK to activate the Developer tab. You will now find the Developer tab to the right. Inside the Developer tab you can see something called Visual Basic Application. This is where we will be writing our code. But before we start the coding, you have to make sure that you save the file in the correct format. Press File, then Save As. Make sure the format is .xlsm and not .xlsx. If you save your file in XLSX format, all the code you write will be deleted when you exit the file. With the setup covered, we can now start the coding. Open up Visual Basic Application. Step 1 in creating a function is to write the keyword sub, followed by the name of the function. You also have to finish the function with and sub. Let us see if the function works by using an inbuilt function message box. Everything seems to be working. In order to continue, we need a code for selecting rows, create figures, or whatever we want to do. This is where the macro function comes in handy. Excel has a record macro function where you can record what you do and you will be given the code for it. Let us demonstrate this with an easy example where we simply want to select a cell. Start off by pressing Record Macro under the Developer tab. Now, select a cell. Then, press Stop Recording. Under Modules you can now find the recorded macro. Instead of Select, you can use the word Value if you want to change the value in a cell. Let's now run the function. Everything seems to be working. An example where the macro function is useful is if you want to create a graphical overview using figures. Let us press Record Macro and create a figure. Then stop the recording. Under Modules, you can now find the macro for how to create a box. Using macros gives a good kickstart to your program. After the macro is recorded, you can modify the function. Let us choose another cell to print Hello World. And also let us modify a number in the drawBox function. As expected, Hello World is printed in a different cell, and the box appears more to the right. In future tutorials, I will explain how to use if statements, for loops, while loops, and more in order to automate your tasks in Excel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and keep coding.